friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show you one easy science experiment part 7. If you're new to my channel, still don't subscribe my channel, click on the red subscribe button and small little bell icon so that you can notify when I upload my videos. My first experiment is going to be glass and candle experiment. To make this glass and candle experiment, you need materials like a plate or bowl and a colored water, matchsticks, and a glass and a candle. First, you should take your plate and fill with colored water. Next step, you should burn the candle, keeping upon the water. It floats. Now I should burn it. Next step, see friends, you can see as usual I have burned the candle. I'll take it to middle. Okay. Next step, you should put instantly on that. Before that, I will take the candle in the middle. Okay. Now I'll put instantly on this. I'll see. See friends? All the water on the plate evaporates into a glass. See when I open this? This is all my video. If you like this video, like the video, comment the video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.